Hi, I'm Carol, and today I'm going to show you how to add interventions on the Infraspeak web platform. So if you head on over to the Settings tab, and then over to the Maintenance section and click on Setting, we're going to then access the type of equipment that we want and select it. So I'm going to head on over to the HVAC folder. I'm going to choose the type of equipment, air conditioner, and I'm going to click on Edit. And now if we choose the Tasks and Interventions tab, here on the right-hand side, you have the Intervention section. If we click on Add New Intervention, we are able to create a new intervention and add it on. So I'm going to add an intervention, a monthly intervention. Okay? And I'm going to give it a code of 1M, so once a month. And we now have a monthly intervention, a weekly intervention, and an annual intervention. And as easy as that, we've added our interventions. Thanks for watching. Bye.